RS660, and the same has been incorporated in XXR. It comes with a complete LED solution. It's the first time in India a two-wheeler is coming with a complete LED solution. It's well integrated in design, in a wraparound design on the front imposing stance. Even the tail lamp is completely with LED solution with integrated blinkers again, which adds to the premium feel to the vehicle. Which have been beautifully positioned here on this vehicle in the front stance, in the body, as well as in the muffler, which will give that further premium feel and design to the product. Well, coming to the performance, I think it comes with the Aprilia Genesis. Every product coming from the Aprilia, no exception to that. So it comes with a 160cc 3-valve fuel injection engine, 1100 RPM. It gives you a torque which is of 11.6 Newton meter at 5750 RPM. So I can safely say this is one of the strongest and the most powerful which you will see. It is the widest cluster. It is a 210 square centimeter cluster with hosts of function in it. Of course, with the speedometer, but the first time I think this is the first time a two-wheeler is coming with the feature of distance to empty, which gives the rider the comfort that when he or she has to visit the nearest petrol pump. We also come up with an optional feature of mobile connectivity and features. Of course, you can locate, you can track your vehicle where it is parked. In the rear, we have an adjustable suspension for the comfort of a co-rider. It's a 5-step adjustable rear suspension. The longer seat, ergonomically designed, I can say that it is one of the longest, and the stability for the co-rider on this vehicle. Of course, the flexible foot pegs which are there, again a very well integrated design along with that for the co-rider, and ample legroom in the front with a raised handlebar. Which gives the comfort, the riding comfort for the riders when they're maneuvering the city traffic, as well as they're going for weekend getaways with their friends and family. Our love for space in India. So this vehicle comes with ample space in the front. It has a split glove box. It also comes with a USB charger, and there is also it has been designed that the ample space is available under the saddle, which is well illuminated for the convenience in the night. For them to take out or place the belongings safely in the vehicle. I did mention about the LED lights. Well, what is different in this LED light than what is available in Indian roads is that it comes with a D class. And when I define what is D class, basically the intensity, the lumens which this LED generates. So it has 1000 lumens. So what is available in Indian market when it comes to the LED solution is 500 to 600 lumens, which implies that the intensity is much higher, which gives a better visibility for the riders and the co-riders and safety during the night riding. Wheel also also comes with one of the widest tire. It's 120, 70, 12-inch tire, which is very wide tire, which gives, and also the wheelbase is amongst the highest in the industry. So which gives you stability and the well balance at the low speed. It gives you high stability at a very high speed as well, and convenient to maneuver the traffic and maneuver the wet conditions and the bumpy road which we have in India. So this beautiful vehicle is available in 4 colors, as you will see here. The stunning, the glossy red. We have a beautiful blue which is there, and 2 classic colors with black and white. So all these 4 vehicles are available at our dealerships across India, and the production for which is in full swing. So friends, as I said that Piaggio since its inception is pioneer in creating new league of products for its design, for its technology, and especially in the Indian market, we were successful in creating and making inroads with 125cc and 150cc scooter segment with our iconic Vespa and Aprilia brand. And what we have done with this scooter is, with this XXR, is we are ready to create another category which is never seen on the Indian roads. Because what we have seen in two-wheeler space is there are products which are either high on comfort, or they are high on performance, or they are high on style. But never ever there has been a product which I can say that they replaces or with an N. So this is a product which has an exemplary design, style, which has unmatched comfort and a superior performance. So it is a product where I would say it is a product meant for the maximizers. A maximizer is ones who are people who want to enjoy life. They want to work hard, but they want to have experiences. They are the people who don't want to compromise. There is no half measure for them. So this is a product for them where we say that it's a product for the maximizers, for the young adults, and when I say young, I also include the people young at heart, where they want to have a very stylish product, a very superior performing product. At the same time, they get a comfortable riding experience for the riders and the co-riders, for their friends and their family together, for the city maneuvering as well as for a weekend getaways. So this is a product for them, and that's why we say maximize life with XSR 160.